Hey guys.
You went away. You've been sending flowers to me. Flowers today. Flowers.
In today's video, I'm going to be doing a making squishies video. So makes paper squishies with me. Sorry, it's not focusing. Okay. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. So I'm gonna start by making a funfetti one, and I already made. It will be in my second paper squishy update. I already did my number one, so go watch that video. But yeah, it'll be all those squishies will be in my recent update. So the vanilla funfetti will be in my favorite squishy update. But I thought it would be cute for like a duo to do the chocolate funfetti cake mix, and then I'll also add the normal one. So yeah, and then I'll also be making one other realistic one. I might be making otter pops, which I think is what I'm gonna make. So yeah, I'll insert pictures of both of those right now. Yeah, they look super cute. Otter pops is gonna be flat, and then the funfetti is gonna be 3D. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and make the funfetti first. Okay guys, so before I make the other one, I just wanted to show you guys this one. So this is the funfetti vanilla one. I made this last night. I really like it, like a lot, but yeah. I'll get back to you guys when my sketch is done. Okay guys, so this is my sketch. As you can see, I unaccidentally forgot about filming, so I colored a little bit of this, but I think that part looks really good. But yeah, this is the sketch. I loved the sketch of this one. This one was really nice. But yeah, so I'll come back when I'm done with my coloring. Okay guys, so I already cut all this stuff out, but this is the final coloring. I really like it, and yeah, here's my final squishy.
How is there? You know, I have an appointment tomorrow, but I haven't seen her for like 3 weeks, and she's like, Dr. Seriously, I'm like, please, I'm fine. She's like, well, I'm gonna make time to finish your time. I'm like, well, don't. And now I'm being bullied to see my therapist.
Okay guys, I hope you guys liked the squishy. So now we're going to be making the otter pops. I do need to get more stuffing though, so I'm just gonna take it out of my jumbo watermelon paper squishy. So yeah, but I need to get more stuffing, so let me do that, and then I'll come back when I have my sketch. Okay, here's the sketch. I'll come back when I have my coloring. Okay guys, here's the coloring. You can't really tell because of how the dark our living room is, but yeah, in person it's really bright. I really like it, so I'll come back with the final squishy. Okay guys, so this is my humongous watermelon squishy, but I don't really like it that much now, so I'm just gonna cut it because it has a lot of stuffing in it and I don't have any more stuffing, so yeah, I'll be back when I cut this. Okay guys, so much stuffing as you can see, so I'm just gonna stuff it.
It's hard. I mean, it's pretty bush. No, Victor, I see you haven't completely lost your touch. You look absolutely. You're just in time for the orientation process. Oh, Victor.
Okay guys, sorry for the background noise, but these are the squishies that we made today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give a huge like and subscribe down below for more content. I love you guys so much. Bye guys!